Meaning of forecaster.
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 Forecaster. A forecaster is someone who analyzes and predicts future events, often related to weather, finance, or economics. They use a combination of data analysis, mathematical models, and expert knowledge to provide informed forecasts to businesses, governments, and individuals. The accuracy of their predictions can have significant impacts on decision-making processes and outcomes. Forecasts can help individuals plan and prepare for potential events, while businesses and governments can use them to make strategic decisions and manage risks. As such, accurate forecasting is crucial for a wide range of fields and industries.